Going on was good. We are up over 8%. And right after this intro, I'm going to tell you why. All right, so this is Monday Market Markup, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in, man. Again, guys, if you like these videos, if it helps you with your trading, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel so you can get a ring on the notification bells. Going to be doing this every Monday and also possibly Tuesday and Wednesday and Friday. I'll be doing the updates on what my projected targets are for that day, all right? All right, so in Monday Market Markup, we're just going to go over the few assets that I trade and focus on and what are the latest market trends and a little bit of advice, what I'm seeing, what's the market sentiment, and how you should attack these trades. How should you basically format and structure your approach to whatever asset it is that you're trading, right? So first and foremost, we're looking at market sentiment. I really advise all beginner traders and novices to make sure you know what the market sentiment is before you even enter the market, right? And I'm just going to give you guys a free way of how I judge and basically assess what are the big boys doing, right? Now, there's some other things that I look at, but just to keep things simple, this is one of the simplest and easiest ways to know exactly what's going on in the market. So the first thing I'm always looking at is the VIX. If you don't know, the VIX is a volatility indicator. So what it basically shows is fear and uncertainties in the markets. It measures essentially the open interest on puts and calls, right, in the market. So it lets you know where are the institutional traders trading. Are they doing more puts or more calls? Are they looking more bullish or bearish in the market? So right now, the VIX is at 15.97. Anything under 20 is usually bullish. Anything over 30 is extremely bearish, and we're due for a crash. So right now, it's 15.97 is bullish. Total put call ratio is 0.94. Anything under 1 is viewed as bullish because that means there's more calls than puts in terms of it being the numbers being divided, the volume. Equity put and call ratio is 0.7, again bullish, and VIX and put call ratio is also 0.43, extremely bullish. So what we do is we basically have an equation where we add those together. Each indicator or indication is 1 point, and based on this, we have 4 points, which makes it extremely bullish today, right? All the indicators are pointing towards bullish sentiment, especially the put call ratios and the VIX, as I stated before. So looking at the total volume of puts and calls. So calls right now is at about 5.1 million. Puts is at 4.8. There's a difference of a little bit over 330,000 calls. So I know that I'm on the bullish side today. I'm not looking to sell anything. Now let's take a look at all the upcoming economic events. This is part 2 of what you should be looking at. So first, it should be market sentiment. The second thing should be all the economic events the whole week. Basically map out your week, know when you should be in the market, when you shouldn't be, when should you be closing a trade because an economic event is about to come out, make it whiplash, slap you out of your trade, hit your stop loss, and basically you get kicked out, not because you didn't judge the trade and make proper parameters for the trade, but just because you're in at a very volatile moment. If your stop losses aren't set appropriately, you're gonna get kicked out, and it sucks. I hate it. It's one of the worst parts of trading, is definitely trading during news. So the economic events coming up Tuesday, all the ones that I think that I'm paying attention to and you should be paying attention to as well. Tuesday, there's a Canadian inflation rate year over year. That's very important, especially if you're trading Canadian dollars or if you're trading oil, because they correlate. My prediction is the previous rate of 3.8%. I expect slight decrease due to the economic factors that are going on. Tuesday, we have USD building permits. That's pretty big. Given the previous consensus numbers, I expect a stable report somewhere around 1.443 million. A stable report has a neutral impact on the housing market and related equities. Tuesday, JP balance of trade, very big. Measures the difference between imports and exports in the Japanese countries, or in Japan, I should say, I'm sorry. My prediction is, given the drastic change from the year, of 659.1 billion. I expect some stabilization, but still a negative balance. All right, so I'm expecting some huge volatility on that day on Tuesday. Negative balance could weaken the JPY and affect currency pairs like USD JPY. So you'll see that pair go very bullish if we have a negative balance. Wednesday, huge US Fed interest rate decision. Guys, this is very important to pay attention to. I can't explain it enough. Interest rates is something I pay very, very close attention to in terms of quantitative easing and just essentially setting the tone and the mood for that month in trading, right? Or even that quarter. Obviously, you guys know we've had some very aggressive rate hikes, so it's something that you definitely have to pay very close attention to. It's the Federal Reserve press conference regarding economic projections. Look for hints on future monetary policies. Very important what they're hinting to and what they're speaking about. Any unexpected statements could cause market volatility. Looking at the JP inflation rate year over year as well, measures the annual change in consumer prices. JP Bank of Japan interest rate decision, that's going to be huge. I like USD JPY, guys. If you don't know, I trade that as well from time to time. My play on that is more of an economical play, not just a technical standpoint. It's more fundamental. In times of extreme uncertainty and despair, you'll see the USD JPY pair used as a safe haven, kind of like gold, right? So it's a place where old money runs to protect their money in times of like a huge crash, market conditions that are not expected. So moving on, let's get into the pairs, my favorite part, right? All right, Dow Jones, US 30. So right now we're actually up on pretty much all of these, except if I'm not mistaken. I'm gonna look up the numbers. But right now, my projections for the week, well, this is really till Wednesday. US 30, or also known as the Dow Jones, it's at 34,618 right now. My prediction is slightly down today, trading at 34,618. Given the 52-week range and current market sentiment, I would say we could see a dip towards 34,600 before a potential rebound. So I'm actually buying it. It's bullish right now. We hit our target already. Literally, I'm posting this a little bit after the bell, and we've already hit our take profit. The SPYs, I'm anticipating my price target is 445, right? Right now it's at 443.37, and I am expecting it to hit 445, right? There's low volume and a bullish market sentiment indicates a potential rise. So there's not enough volume to essentially overpower the bullish volume, the buyers in the market. So I'm expecting that to rise to 445. So if you're buying any options, I'm buying calls, trying to hit 445. Euro USD, I'm in a buy right now. We're about to hit our take profit on that as well. It's currently at 1.067, trying to hit 0.07. And if I can hit that, that'd be great. I think we've already hit it. I got to check my phone really quick. USD JPY, like I said, safe haven as well. It's moving, kind of consolidating right now. It's not giving us a lot of movement right now because right now we're seeing a lot of movement in the equities market. So again, no volatility in this as of yet because we got those major economic events coming up on, I think it was Wednesday, if I'm not mistaken. So it's going to consolidate, I think, and completely just move sideways until those events come out. Not anticipating a lot of movement on here. I'm sitting in a long on this. Gold, my baby, I love gold. Current price, 1927.70. My prediction is that we will hit 1935. Why? Showing a bullish trend. Keep an eye on this one. Classic hedge against market uncertainty, right? Again, like I said, when everybody gets scared and fearful, they usually run to these old safe havens like gold, and possibly now Bitcoin, which is running right now. Bitcoin, we actually called this from last week, 26, I think 26 and change was our prediction last week, and we actually hit it. This week is 27.4. Let me see what last week was. Okay, last week it was at 26,673, and our prediction was 2,700, and we hit that. We slapped it out of the park. So my prediction this week is that we will hit 27,400. Why? Bitcoin is trading at 27,297. Up from its day's low. Given the overall bullish market sentiment, expect a potential rise. So again, the factors I'm looking at in terms of why I'm making these predictions is the economical events that are coming out. What is the monetary policies in place? What is the market sentiment? What is today's volume? How close are we to the 52-week high or low? Where are we in that range? Gives a lot of indication on direction and then a lot of technicals as well. And I'll take a brief quick look at the technicals and show you guys that as well. All right, so today, these are my trades that I was taking. We're pretty much up. This slapped, this hit take profit. I think we hit take profit on this. I'm gonna check in a second. Euro USD hit take profit. S&P 500 hit take profit. That's not here as well, but let's, if we, matter of fact, I'll post, what I'll do, I'll post some of the trades now in the group chat and just show you guys. All right, not to skip ahead, but US 30 hit and S&P 500 we hit as well. Nothing crazy, about 3,400 today so far, but we're up a little bit over 8 to 10%, almost 11. I have some floating profits right now. Euro USD is currently at, where is it? Euro USD currently at 106.892. Obviously, and if you guys are wondering, some of you don't know, some of you might know, this is the CWG algo. Basically, it is a trading indicator based on institutional trading volume. A lot of the stuff that I'm talking about, we built it, and it incorporates all of the different aspects that I was telling you about in terms of economic events coming out, volume, structure, fibs, and institutional order flow. Mostly everything is built on institutional order flow. So we're looking completely at puts and calls for every asset you can think of, except not really futures, but stocks, crypto, some futures. I've seen corn does really well on corn. Yeah. Wheat as well. But anyways, this is a CWG algo. If you guys don't have it, I recommend you go get that ASAP at cwgalgo.com. Again, cwgalgo.com. Amazing, man. We use some AI technology in this actual indicator, and it's just doing phenomenal. So where a lot of my predictions and my trades are coming from. Euro USD is at 106.896 right now. 106.896. We predicted. All right, we're predicting 1070. So got a few more pips to go, and we should hit our take profit today. USD JPY looking at a take profit of 148. Not there yet. It's pretty stagnant. Dropped down to a 30-minute chart and see where we are. We caught a big rise. Got all of that. Hit take profit 3 on the algo, and we are looking for 140. Looking for 148. So this is going to be a hold. Yeah, this is going to be a long-term play. This is for this week. Not there yet. So we hit take profit on a couple of our trades, and some we're going to have to hold during the week. Bitcoin is jumping. Yeah, Bitcoin currently at 127,273, looking to hit 27,400. We should hit that shortly as well. All right, so I went over the economic events, what my predictions were for the economic events, asset class and targets trades that I'm taking right now. And that's pretty much it, guys. Some of the trades have hit so far. None have hit stop loss yet. And we're floating at a little bit over 11% this morning. And it's only Monday, guys. So guys, this was Monday Market Markup. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you liked it. I'm going to be doing it every Monday. And I'm actually, the feedback I get, tell me what questions you guys want to talk about, what pairs. I'll go over any pair. Comment in the comments. If you want to jump in and get these free trades, you're more than welcome to. The link is down below. Go do that now. Hit like on this video if you learned something or if it helped you or whatever the case may be. Hit subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop any information on any trades we're doing. So I'm going to be going live a lot. I'm going to be giving out like live trades, doing a lot of my trades live on YouTube and just giving out free signals, free trades, things of that nature. We're going to be talking a lot about trading, guys. I'm going to be talking about credit. I'm going to be talking about lawsuits that I've won and lawsuits that you should be looking for. We're going to talk about just finances on a whole. So stay tuned. Hope you liked it. Hope you enjoyed it. And I'll see you in the next one. It's your boy KC. I'm out.